Hello, food enthusiasts. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into the world of Argentine grilled salmon, or salmon a la parrilla. But before we fire up the grill, let's explore fascinating facts about this mouth-watering dish. Argentine grilled salmon is a delicious fusion of Argentine and seafood flavors, creating a unique culinary experience. In Argentina, grilling, or parrilla, is a sacred cooking method, making grilled salmon a culinary delight. The essential ingredients for Argentine grilled salmon include fresh salmon fillets, Argentine chimichurri sauce, and a hot grill. The cooking process: chimichurri sauce. In a bowl, combine the finely chopped fresh parsley, minced garlic, red wine vinegar, extra virgin olive oil, dried oregano, red pepper flakes, salt, and pepper. Mix well chimichurri sauce and let it sit for at least 15 minutes to allow the flavors to meld. You can make the chimichurri sauce ahead of time and store it in the fridge. Grilled salmon. Preheat your grill to medium-high heat. Season the salmon fillets with a little salt and pepper. Grill the salmon fillets for about 3-4 minutes per side, or until they reach your desired level of doneness. The salmon should easily flake with a fork when done. Remove the salmon from the grill and serve it hot with a generous drizzle of chimichurri sauce on top. Grilling salmon is a delicate art. It requires precision to achieve that perfect balance between a crispy exterior and a moist, flaky interior. Some of the finest salmon in Argentina comes from the pristine waters of Patagonia, known for its cold, clean currents. Salmon is rich in omega-3 fatty acids, making it a heart-healthy choice and a great source of essential nutrients. Marination is key. To infuse salmon with incredible flavor, it's often marinated in chimichurri sauce, a tangy and herb-packed condiment. Chimichurri sauce is a classic Argentine condiment made from fresh herbs, garlic, vinegar, and olive oil. It's a match made in culinary heaven with salmon. Argentine grilling techniques involve using hardwood or charcoal, giving the salmon a delightful smoky aroma and charred flavor. Cooking time for salmon on the grill is usually short, around 10-15 minutes, depend on maker choice, making it a quick and delicious meal option. Grilled salmon can be served as a main dish or broken into smaller pieces and used in salads, sandwiches, or tacos. Common side dishes to complement Argentine grilled salmon include roasted vegetables, green salads, or potatoes. Grilled salmon is a popular choice during Argentine asados, barbecues, where friends and family gather to enjoy the feast. The Argentine grill, known as a parrilla, plays a central role in cooking this dish, ensuring even heat distribution. You can grill various cuts of salmon, from fillets to steaks, each offering a unique texture and flavor. Creative chefs often experiment with marinades, adding unique flavors to the grilled salmon, like citrus or honey glazes. Grilled salmon is not only delicious but also a great source of lean protein, promoting muscle health. Pairing grilled salmon with Argentine white wines like Torrontés can enhance the dining experience. Sustainable salmon farming practices are increasingly common in Argentina, ensuring a responsible source of this delectable fish. Grilled salmon: how to serve or what would be the side dish, depend on individual choices or preferences. Argentine grilled salmon has gained popularity worldwide, bringing the taste of Argentina to kitchens around the globe. Unknown to many, specialized grill tools, like fish grilling baskets or cedar planks, can help you achieve that perfectly grilled salmon. The Argentine culinary tradition emphasizes using spices like cumin, paprika, and red pepper flakes to elevate the flavors of grilled salmon. Malbec, a popular Argentine red wine, can also be a delightful pairing for grilled salmon. Another fact is lemon wedges provide a zesty contrast to the rich flavors of grilled salmon. Creative chefs often experiment with toppings like mango salsa or avocado cream to enhance grilled salmon. In Argentina, you can find fresh salmon at local markets and seafood shops, reflecting the country's love for seafood. Some grill enthusiasts use wooden planks, like cedar or maple, to impart a smoky aroma to the salmon while preventing it from sticking to the grill. Thank you for joining us on this culinary journey through Argentine grilled salmon, exploring both intriguing facts and a delectable recipe. Be sure to like, share, and subscribe for more mouthwatering recipes and culinary discoveries. Until next time, keep grilling and savoring the flavors of the world.